wants to go on the other side and pet him so he doesn't get scared. Ellie, try not to do it in his face. Try not to do it in his face. Yeah. That's a good boy. Oh, he doesn't like it.
Sugar-free too.
Does it have caffeine in it?
No. Oh well, you know what? I don't think so. Hi, Meyer. Kind of tasty. More towel. We didn't do the whole.
No, I've been stopping and starting.
Business, doesn't it?
Chaotic.
What's that?
They're both chaotic. Oh boy, Meyer, you're getting lots of, I don't know what I'm saying, lots of work done. All clean. Meyer. Bye-bye. Meyer.
Right here.
You want to go now, Meyer?
He's like, get me the hell out of here. How do I get out of here?
Meyer, put this on and we'll go.
You put his collar back on too, Jeffrey?
What?
His collar?
Oh, yeah.
Good boy.
I'm going to factory now.
It's a nice booty shot, Jeffrey.
Wait, are we supposed to call him?
You have something to call him.
You don't really have to comb him.
Sure. I'm a ninja. That means everywhere, Tell him when I can let you go.
No, wait till one of them.
Meyer! Oh, why?